Dear students, today I will discuss with you some important MCQ from the chapter Chemical Equilibrium. This is the first question. Here what is happening? Ln K versus 1 by T is drawn, and this is the line, straight line. So this is the range 2 to 6, this is 1.5 to 2. Okay. So the reaction must be what? So these are the choices given. Okay. So you see what is happening. Van't equation. Okay, Van't equation, ln K minus delta has 0 by R 1 by T plus delta S 0 by R. Okay, delta S 0 by R. So here what is happening? 1 by T versus ln K. It is plot. So what is the value you are getting? So ln K 6 by 2 is equal to delta H by R. This is minus sign, and this is your 1 by T. Okay, so you will get what? The range 1.5 10 to the power minus 3 2 multiplied 10 to the power minus 3. So here you will get delta H minus by R, and this is minus 0.5 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, so you will get this is positive, this will be positive. So delta H by R 0.5 10 to the power minus 3. So here delta H you are getting what? You will get the slope. These are the different values. If plot has positive slope, it has positive slope. Okay, this is positive slope. So as it is positive slope, so therefore it is exothermic. Okay, because 1 by T increases and ln K also increases. Okay, this is positive slope. So choice A is the correct answer. Next question. An amount of solid ammonium bisulfide is placed in a flask already containing ammonia gas, at a certain temperature and 0.5 atmosphere pressure. Ammonium bisulfide decomposes to yield ammonia and H2S gases in the flask. When the decomposition reaction reaches equilibrium, the total pressure in the flask raised up to 0.84 atmosphere. The equilibrium constant for ammonium bisulfide decomposition at this temperature is what? So question number 2. See, ammonium bisulfide NH4HS, this is solid, and this is ammonia gas, and this is HS gas. Okay, so initial pressure ammonia PNH3 0.5 atmosphere. H2S pressure, this is 0 atmosphere. Equilibrium, what happen at equilibrium? P ammonia pressure 0.5 plus X. H2S pressure, let it be X. Okay, so total pressure is your 0.5 plus X plus X. This is 0.5 plus 2X. Okay, so this is your 0.5 plus 2X is equal to 0.84 total pressure. Okay, so therefore X is equal to 0.17 atmospheric. So P ammonia 0.50 plus 0.17, this is 0.67 atmosphere pressure. Okay, PH2S is equal to 0.1 atmospheric pressure. Okay, So Kc is equal to ammonia concentration multiplied H2S concentration divided ammonium bisulfite. So it is solid, so it is not taken. Okay, so only 0.67 multiplied 0.17, so you will get to 0.11 atmosphere square. Okay, so you are getting what? Choice C is the correct answer. Next, equilibrium constant K1 and K2 for the following equation. This is the equation given. NO plus half O2 K1 NO2 2 NO2, this is second equation. This is K2 you are getting. So what is the relation between K1 and K2? See question number 3. Very simple. Such type of question already I have discussed. Okay, so you take K2 K1, this is NO plus half O2 giving you NO2. This is for K1. Okay, and K2 2 NO2 plus 2 NO2, this is K2 2 NO plus O2. Okay, to take, so what is K2? K2 is equal to NO square O2 divided NO2 square. Okay, so you root over it, so you root over, take it root over, so you will get NO, you take NO and O2 half by NO2. Okay, so what is K1? K1, you see, it is the reverse, so it is the reverse 1 by K1. Okay, so you will get what? K2 is equal to 1 by K1 square. K2 is equal to 1 by K1 square. So choice C is the correct answer. Okay, next, for reaction 2NO, question number 4, for reaction 2NOCl 2NO plus chlorine. Okay, Kc is this much, at this much 3 multiplied 10 to minus 6 liter mole inverse. The value of Kp is really what? Okay, so relation of question number 4, Kp Kc relation. Kp is equal to Kc r to the power delta n. Okay, so your Kp is equal to Kc value is given 3 multiplied 10 to minus 6, 3 multiplied 10 to minus 6, and this is your 427 plus 273, you are getting 700, so 700. Okay, RT, this is T, so delta n, this is your 3 and this is 2, so you will get 1, so then R value 0.0831. Okay, so by solving you will get 1.75 10 to minus 4. Choice D is the correct answer. Next question, for the chemical equilibrium calcium carbonate, it is solid. So for such type of reactions you always remember which one is solid, which one is liquid. So you have to take the solid is the